Spotting hidden sugars in your food can be challenging, but with the right knowledge and techniques, you can become adept at identifying these sneaky additives. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you uncover hidden sugars in your diet. Natural sugars occur in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. These are often accompanied by beneficial nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Added sugars, on the other hand, are sugars and syrups that are added during food preparation or processing. Hidden sugars are added sugars disguised with less familiar names and found in products where you might not expect them. Food manufacturers often use these to make their products appear healthier than they actually are. Locate the Nutrition Facts panel on the food packaging and examine the total sugars section. This includes both natural and added sugars. The new Nutrition Facts label requires a separate added sugars section for most products. This helps you distinguish between naturally occurring sugars and those added during processing. Remember that 4 grams of sugar equals 1 teaspoon. Keep this in mind when evaluating the sugar content of a product. Ingredients are listed in descending order by weight. If sugar appears near the top of the list, it's a major component of the product. Be wary of products that list multiple types of sugar. Manufacturers may use several different sugars to make their product appear lower in sugar content. Look out for these common sugar names, words ending in ose like sucrose, fructose, dextrose, and maltose. Syrups such as corn syrup, rice syrup, and maple syrup, as well as concentrates and juices like evaporated cane juice and fruit juice concentrate. Many healthy products use alternative sweeteners that are still considered added sugars. Watch out for agave nectar, coconut sugar, honey, maple syrup, rice bran syrup, and birch syrup. Be particularly vigilant when checking these products for hidden sugars, breakfast cereals, flavored yogurts, condiments like ketchup, barbecue sauce, and salad dressings, and granola and protein bars. Choose whole, minimally processed foods. Be skeptical of health claims on packaging. Experiment with lower sugar alternatives, such as plain yogurt with fresh fruit instead of flavored yogurt. Aim for cereals with 10 to 12 grams or less of sugar per serving. By mastering these techniques, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions about the foods you consume and reduce your intake of hidden sugars. Strive to consume minimal amounts of sugar and carbohydrates.